What's up, guys?
You gotta talk louder, man.
What's up, guys?
And what else you want to say?
We're gonna do a YouTube video today.
About what?
The math.
Okay. What kind of math? Addition?
Addition.
Right, because yesterday you had a lot of questions, right?
Yep.
All right. Right?
Uh-huh.
All right. So, welcome back to All This Math. I am Professor Parker, and this is Kwame, as you've probably seen before, either on Instagram Reels or TikTok Reels, or even on this YouTube platform. All right. This is a dinosaur hoodie you got on?
Yep.
That's
Dinosaur
pretty cool.
spikes.
Got spikes on your hood. Okay. Okay, I see you. All right. So today we are going to do some addition. All right. Right.
Yep.
All right. We're gonna start off slow. All right. We're just gonna write problems all over the board. Kwame, what's 1 plus 1?
2.
Right. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. Now let's take this number and add this to itself. What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Right. 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. Now you used to have to count with your fingers, remember?
Yep.
But now you have it memorized, right?
I think so.
Yeah, because you just knew it was 4, right? Now let's do 4 plus 4.
I absolutely know this.
Tell the people what 4 plus 4 is.
4 plus 4 is 8.
Right. 4 plus 4 is 8. Just like if you put 4 fingers up in one hand, 4 fingers up in the other hand, all together, you count the fingers. That's going to be 8 fingers, right?
Yep.
All right. Well, let's get to the bigger numbers. Let's take this 8 and add it to itself. What's 8 plus 8?
32.
That's 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. You know what 8 plus 8 is? 8 plus 8 is 16.
16.
16. Now, real quick, for those of y'all watching, if you have a child in Kwame's in kindergarten, right? And if you have a child in first grade or second grade, they might be working with number bonds, right? So if you're a parent watching this, this is how we can use a number bond using the make a 10 method, right? The make a 10 method. We could take this 8, break this 8 down or decompose it into 2 plus 6. Now, why 2 plus 6? Why didn't I do 3 plus 5? Why didn't I do 1 plus 7? Why didn't I do 0 plus 8? Because I want to make a 10. So I know that 8 and 2 make a 10. So sometimes it's easier to add numbers to 10 or use the counting up method, right? From 10, right? Because adding 6 to 10 is similar to adding 6 to 0, because either way you have a 0 in the ones place. So this is why this is one of the methods that children are using to do addition now, or when addition is being introduced to them at a young age. Right now, Kwame probably do this next year as a first grader. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and then 10 plus 6 is like saying 0 plus 6. So that's 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Right, bro?
Yep.
All right, now let's get into some bigger numbers. What's 16 plus 16? What is it? 16 plus 16. You remember?
32.
32. He remembers.
Yep.
High five. My man. 16 plus 16 is 32. Now let's add 32 to itself. What's 32 plus 32? You remember that? It's okay if you don't. It's a large number. So two 32s, when you put two 32s together, you get 64. 64. Now let me show you something. What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Right. Let me show you something. 30 is the same thing. 32 is the same thing as saying 30 plus 2. 30 and 2 is 32. And then another 32 is also 30 plus 2. Now, what's 3 plus 3? You know what 3 plus 3 is?
Yep.
What is it? 3 fingers? 3 fingers. What is it?
I think it's 8.
You didn't count. 3 fingers and 3 fingers. Count the fingers.
6.
It's 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that means that 3 tens plus 3 tens equals 6 tens. 6 tens. 6 tens is 60. Kwame, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
Right. So that's the same thing as 60 plus 4. You know what 60 plus 4 is? You count up from 60. You go 61, 62, put up 4 fingers. 61, 62, 63, 64. That's 4 fingers, right? 64. How long is this video? Okay, we've been on here 5 minutes. All right. So let's do one more. And then we'll stop this video. Let's do 64 plus 64.
It's kind of a hard one.
Okay. Okay. So 64 plus 64. Let's do, yeah, this is harder than the other ones. That's the same thing as 60 plus 4. This is the same thing as 60 plus 4 again. Do you know what 6 plus 6 is? And we can't really use our fingers to do that because we don't have that many fingers. Because I got 5 in this hand and 5 in the other hand. But we need 6 and 6. So what we can do is this. We can count the tens. 6 plus 6 using the make a 10 method. Right? So I know that I can decompose 6 into 4 and 2. And I put 6 with 4. What's 6 plus 4, Kwame? Imagine you start at 6, right? Imagine you already got 6. You're going to add 4. So you count from 6. Put up 4 fingers from 6. The next finger is going to be 7. No, put your 2 fists. 2 fists. 2 fists. You already at 6. And you're going to put up 4 fingers. You count. The next finger is going, fist. 2 fists. 2 fists. 7. Go like this. Go 7.
7.
Do it with your hand. 7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
10.
10.
How many fingers is this?
4.
That's 4. So that means 6 plus 4 is 10. That's what that means. That's called the counting up method. 6 plus 4 is 10.
Yep.
So that's 10. What's 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2. Now, Kwame doesn't already know how to do this. He's learning this right now in real time. It's the first time he's seen this, right?
Yep.
Which is cool, right? So 10 plus 2. So imagine you got 10. Put 2 fists up like this. And then count from 10. 1 finger, 11. What comes after 10? 11, right?
11.
What's next? 12. That's 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. All right?
Yep.
So 10 plus 2 is 12. So that means that 6 plus 6 is 12.
Like if you roll a dice and it rolls to 2.
2 sixes?
No, I mean, if it rolls to 10, if it rolls to 5, and it rolls to 5 again, and then it rolls to 2, that means that is
Say it. That means it's a total of 12, right?
12.
Because 5 plus 5 plus 2, 5 plus 5. You looking? 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12, right? So now, what we got now? Next video. No marker for you in this video. Next video. So 6 and 6 is 12. So that many tens means 60 plus 60 is 120. What's 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4.
8.
That's 120 plus 8, which is 128. That's big boy math. All right, so we're going to stop the video right there. All right, anything you want to say? Say to the people?
Yep.
What you want to say?
What's up, guys? We're gonna leave this video for now.
And then what?
And then the next day and the other days we might make another video.
There you have it. See y'all in the next video.
Yep.